If you're not already using Zapier to manage all of your apps, you definitely should be. We now have an integration with Zapier that will allow you to import your contacts from countless sources, including Squarespace, WordPress, PayPal, and so many more. In this short video, we'll show you how it all works. To get started, click Integrations, and then click the Zapier block. Click Connect, and you'll be taken to Zapier to log into your account. Once you log in, authorize Constant Contact to access your account. Now that your account is connected, you can use Constant Contact to add and manage your Zaps. Click the Connected tab to see all of your currently connected apps. If you need to manage a certain app, just click on it and choose Go to Zapier. If you want to add a new app, click the All tab and search the list of available apps. Once you've found the one you're looking for, just click on it. Select Go to Zapier to start creating your Zap with that app. And that's how easy it is to use Zapier with Constant Contact.